Good afternoon. I'm Cadet Midshipman Devera Fritz Vinson from BSMT2 Year 1-3, and I will be explaining to you an example of fixed positioning in navigation. As you can see here, I haven't done it yet, so I will make an example, a hypothetical scenario of it, explaining through and through how to get the dead reckoning. So, magsisimula ako sa aking course, which is here. Let's go here. I'm heading east. So let's say I would do it from 80 bearing, and this is where my ship is heading east. So let's say that here is an island where there is a lighthouse. And the hour has gone by from here to my ship that I saw would be, let's say, 9. I saw the lighthouse at 9 o'clock. And then, let's say an hour has gone by that I went from here to here. And then the hour that took me would be here. Let's say it will be 10. So 10th hour. It's only 1 hour gap. So to keep it simple. And my speed would be, let's say, 10 knots. And then from here, my bearing could be 100, for example. And then here would be, because it would be an additional, so I would add to 120 bearing. Okay, so from here, I would divide the hour that took, which is only 1 hour, depending on what the scenario that I created. It would be 60. So I would first divide it from 60 minutes to 60 minutes. 60 divided by 60, so then I would get 1. And then from here on out, I would use the speed, which is, I example, is 10 knots. I would just divide this time, so I would get 10. So in order for me to get the dead reckoning, this formula is a must be, 2. And then from here that I got 10, I would use the chart that I already written down from here to here as an example, and I would use it from here to 10, and I would apply it to where my ship was where I saw it on 9 o'clock to 10. So I would use the 10, let's say here, and then let's say here. I would be here by Anna, since I got the 10. And then I would use a ruler. To, this is my first LOP1, and this would be the second one, which is LOP2. This is my first LOP1 and LOP2, and then I would use it to, I only have one ruler, I'm very sorry. I would use it to use the LOP1 to bump it, to navigate it from here to get to here. And then this, as a 10, would be my dead reckoning here. That's where the lighthouse from 1 hour on 9 o'clock, and by 10 I would be here as the D-R, the dead reckoning. So that's how you get the dead reckoning. Thank you.